Hello students. Now I am going to explain very important problem from the Bayes theorem, which is from exercise 13.3 problem number 10. Let us try to learn. The question starts with like this. Suppose a girl throws a die. So when a die is thrown, you are aware of the outcomes. The number of possible outcomes are 6. What are those possible outcomes? It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Right. Regarding Bayes' theorem, in order to solve the problems related to Bayes' theorem, initially we should be aware of the events, how the events to be considered based on the inputs given in the question. So we should read the question twice to understand, and then you come to the conclusion. A girl throws a die. Stop for a while, then continue. If she gets 5 or 6, she tosses a coin. If she gets 5 or 6, she tosses a coin 3 times and notes the number of heads. If she gets 1, 2, 3 or 4, she tosses a coin once and notes whether a head or tail is obtained. If she obtained exactly one head, what is the probability that she threw 1, 2, 3 or 4 with the die? So it is very clear that we need to consider the events as like this. Even be the event of getting 5 or 6 when a die is thrown. Getting 5 or 6 when a die is thrown. What is the probability of even? Probability of even getting 5 will be 1 by 6 or plus getting 6 also 1 by 6. So this will be equal to 2 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 3. Now E2 will be getting 1, 2, 3 or 4. Getting 1, 2, 3 or 4 when a die is thrown. What is the probability of E2? Probability of E2 we can write directly, it is 4 by 6. In order to make you explain, probability of getting 1 will be 1 by 6, or 2 will be 1 by 6, or 3 1 by 6, or 4 1 by 6. Or means we use addition, and means we use multiplication symbol. So this is 4 by 6, which is equal to 2 by 3. Now what is the event A? We need to define what is the event A. If you notice in the last but one sentence, if she obtained exactly one head, so getting one head or exactly one head can be described as event A. Exactly one head. Then how to find the probability of this event A? It can be find out through law of total probability. So according to the law of total probability, we know the definition. According to the law of total probability, probability of the event A is given by P of A is equal to P of E1 into P of A slash E1 plus P of E2 into P of A slash E2. So what is P of A slash E1? P of A slash E1 means probability of getting exactly one head. Given that she has got 5 or 6 when die is thrown. So in order to figure out the value of P of A slash E1, read the problem once again. From the second sentence, if she gets 5 or 6, she tosses a coin 3 times. She tosses a coin 3 times and notes the number of heads. So here little cautious. She tosses a coin 3 times. So when a coin is tossed 3 times, what are the favorable outcomes? Initially, what are the total number of outcomes? Total number of outcomes are 8. What are there? If we represent in the form of a tree diagram, we can represent like this. And what are they? What are they? H, H, H. The total number of outcomes are H, 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 T, H, T, H, H, T, T. and THH, THT, TTH and TTT. Total number of outcomes are 8. This is a sample space. When a coin is tossed 3 times, this is a sample space. So I want exactly one head. So the probability of getting exactly one head will be, if you notice, in this case one head is there, here also one head is there, here also one head is there. Right. So total number of favorable outcomes are 3. Total number of outcomes are 8. Total number of outcomes are 8. Fine. Now this will become probability of A/E1. Probability of E1 is 1 by 3. Probability of A/E1 is 3 by 8. Now coming to probability of A/E2. What is probability of A/E2? Read the sentence which is in the third line. If she gets 1, 2, 3 or 4, she tosses a coin once. So when you toss a coin, what is the probability of getting exactly one head? Obviously 1 by 2. So this will become 2 by 3 into 1 by 2. 2 by 3 into 1 by 2. If you take the LCM here, this is 3 by 24 plus 1 by 3. 3 by 24 plus 1 by 3. LCM is 24. So this will become 9 plus 8 plus 3 plus 8, which will become 11 by 24. Now what we are supposed to find? We are supposed to find the probability that she threw 1, 2, 3 or 4 with the die. So according to the Bayes theorem, we are supposed to find probability of E2/A. Probability, what is E2? She threw a die, then where she got either 1, 2, 3 or 4. Probability she got 1, 2, 3 or 4 where exactly one head occurred. Which is given by P of E2 into P of A/E2 by law of total probability. What is P of E2? P of E2 is 2 by 3. P of A/E2 is 1 by 2 by P of A is 11 by 24. If you simplify this, yes, this is 24 by 3 into 11. Finally, the answer is 8 by 11. In this way, we can solve the problem. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my video. Thank you all.